see you there. Welcome to today's vlog. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hope everyone is staying safe through these tough times of corona. But I got a little update for you guys. Little short video today, nothing major. Update on the transmission. Unfortunately, I had a seller that I was gonna go ahead and pick up the transmission from. Unfortunately, if you guys have bought things or sold things in South Florida, you know how that may go. People can flake, people can not respond to you for hours, so on and so forth. Unfortunately, the guy flaked on me, so transmission is still a 4-speed until further notice. But today what we are going to be doing is installing these bushings for our sway bar. As many of you know, these little bushings tend to go bad, and you know, it can cause the sway bar to, I guess, not work as effectively as it should. So as soon as I get it out of this goddamn pack, I'll show you here. We got brand new energy suspension bushings, 32mm for the sway bar. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Go ahead and put a little bit of this, grease or lube that they supply. And yeah, it's a super easy install. I'm gonna go ahead and take out all the tools I'm gonna need for it and check back in with you guys to give you a rundown on how to do it. All right guys, so what you're gonna need for this install is simply a regular ratchet with a 14mm. I may just use the impact just to make my life easier, but if you don't have an impact, a ratchet and a 14mm socket will work just fine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get under the car and show you exactly where these go and how to install them. All right, so just to give you guys a comparison right off the car, you can quickly tell this bushing is trash. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a new one. I'm gonna try to set this thing as best as possible. Maybe that'll work, whatever. Take a little grease. Put that inside of here. And it pretty much goes in just like that. Obviously we got to get it around the sway bar, but once that's done, hopefully it should feel a lot better. So yeah, let's get that in there. All right guys, as you can see, I got them all installed. It was pretty simple. Like I said, just those 4 bolts on the sway bar on each side. That drops down. You wrap the bushing around the sway bar, and then you bolt up the bracket again with the 4 bolts there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the car down, maybe drive it around, see if I feel anything significantly different. Right now the car with the 15s in the back is really just to go straight, because turning wise, those 15s ain't really doing much. But we'll go ahead and see. We'll get some live reaction, and yeah, stay tuned. Get a little cold start for the boys. See if I can set you up here. Yeah, no, that looks solid enough. Take it around. I don't really think I'm gonna feel a huge difference, but we'll see what's up. relatively easy install, super cheap part. I don't think it was more than like 50 bucks. So definitely worth it, I guess, if you care about having everything replaced and not having shitty bushings. But yeah, definitely a cool, easy upgrade. Nothing too bad. I'm sure I would feel it a lot more if I actually like autocrossed this car or like took it up in, you know, a windy road or something like that. But unfortunately with the 15s, I'm kind of limited. I would need a good wheel and tire setup to at least take some corners with this car. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm screaming. We appreciate all the comments and likes. We're almost at 400 subscribers. I never thought I'd see the day that that's actually would happen. So wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.